Sometimes the only way to go is on foot.
We can't get lost. This is very clear. Normally I'm able to see landmarks. A lot of the sulfur and smoke from the volcano is kind of ruining my landmarks. I think we were going left in the right direction. This is where we're supposed to be.
I haven't got a clue. I know nothing.
Maybe it'll clear up. I just can't get my bearings. There's just nothing to see. Right now, I'm being honest. I just don't know.
Are we lost?
Because of the weather, because we're lost, and at this point we do actually know our way back. We're gonna go ahead and turn around and go back. We're running out of time, and we definitely don't want it to start getting dark.
We hopefully don't do